One of the underlying powers of models like DeepSeek R1 and ChatGPT O1 is reinforcement learning. Proximal policy optimization or PPO and group relative policy optimization or GRPO are both reinforcement learning algorithms used to train AI models. But they differ in their methodologies and computational efficiencies. ChatGPT O1 uses PPO, whereas DeepSeek R1 uses GRPO. Let's break them down into simple terms. Imagine training a player to play football. There is a player and a coach. One decides the next or best move, and the other evaluates how good that move was. After each move, the coach provides feedback and the player adjusts his strategy based on his advice. Similarly, PPO is a policy gradient method that adjusts the policy directly to maximize expected rewards. It utilizes two neural networks, a policy network that determines actions and a value network or critic that evaluates these actions. It's like a student taking a test and a teacher grading each answer, providing scores to guide the student's future learning. To maintain stable learning, PPO employs a clipped objective function which restricts the magnitude of policy updates, preventing drastic changes that could destabilize training. But here's a catch. Training both policy and value networks simultaneously increases computational requirements, leading to higher resource consumption. On the other hand, GRPO simplifies the process by eliminating the coach. Instead, for each situation, the player generates multiple possible actions and compares them against each other. He ranks these actions from best to worst and learns to prefer actions that perform better. Sort of self-learning. It's like a student answering multiple versions of a question, comparing their answers and learning which approach works best without needing a teacher's evaluation. Technically speaking, GRPO streamlines the architecture by eliminating the value network, relying solely on the policy network. Instead of evaluating actions individually, GRPO generates multiple responses for each input and ranks them. The model then updates its policy based on the relative performance of these grouped responses, enhancing learning efficiency. By removing the value network and adopting group-based evaluations, GRPO reduces memory usage and computational costs, leading to faster training times.